Masizivusela again kubabukeli bayo xhosa TV predictors. We'll talk about a derby of English Premiership. Who is going to win a league? Who is going to be on second place? Who is going to be relegated? We already know. To me, I will take as obvious thing that Man City is going to run away with the English Premier League again because of what is happening now. We already saw yesterday how they play against Arsenal. They have a game in hand, so it's obvious that Man City is going to win the league. Arsenal will end up on position 2, and then there's a fight between Newcastle and Man United for third place. So I think Man United will end up in third place so that they can go and play to Champions League. The teams that are going to relegation are going to Championship, or they will be relegated. I think Bournemouth is the first team to go down to Champions League, to relegation zone, to the lower division, and the second one will be Southampton. I think maybe Everton can go and play playoffs. Yeah, playoffs. And then we go to Spain. Even in Spain, it's obvious. Barcelona already win the league. For sure, second place it will be Real Madrid. Third place it will be Atletico Madrid. The team that will be relegated there, I think Espanyol will be relegated. Espanyol will be relegated. To South African League, it's Sundowns that we know that is already winning the league, and then there are two teams that are fighting. There are three teams that are fighting for second spot. Who they want to go and play Champions League next season. I think Pirates will win the second place. Third place, I see Chiefs, because they have a game against SuperSport. So if Chiefs can beat SuperSport in that game, they have a chance to be on the third position. And then to the team that are going to second division, I see Chippa United. Chippa United are going to play there, and then Maritzburg would be lucky to go and fight on a playoffs. Thanks for today. Thanks for watching.